guys, welcome back to Bihar Geek. So today we are going to solve a very interesting problem, that is word break. Okay, so let's start with the problem statement. So problem statement here says that we have given a string and another one is an array. Array is basically word dictionary where we have given a number of words. Okay, so we have to check in this example, as you see that we have a string of lead code and we have to check that the entire particular string is present in this array dictionary or not. Like as you see that lead, and if we are checking in the dictionary we are getting lead. And again next we are looking for the code is also present, that's why we are returning true from here. And if we are moving forward in the example, here we see that apple, and apple is already present. And again we are moving forward and we are checking for the pen is already present. And again apple we are looking for, it's already. Uh, there is one more constraint that we in the dictionary we can reuse multiple times also. That's why apple and apple we are using it twice here. And if you see in this example, if we are looking for the cats is already present. And then again we are moving forward. If we are looking for this sand is also present here. Okay. And if we are looking for the dog, now dog is present. But the statement is, as you see that the output is false because we have already used this particular thing. Now the remaining part is the and here. And is also present here. Cats is also present here. Cat and cats. And if we are looking for the sand is also present. Why it's giving that error? Something is wrong with the statement. Cats and is also present. Okay, got it. If you see that we have already used this particular thing, so it is already present. Now the remaining string is A and D. Now OG is not present in the particular string. If we are looking for this entire string for the dog, then in that case we are not able to find any SAN in that case. That's why it's returning false to us. Okay, so we will solve this problem using the DP only. Right. So first we will keep all the values whatever present in the dictionary inside a hash set first. Okay, let's get started in Java. Okay, so we'll have a set. Okay, and inside the set string, and I'll keep the name as word set here, and we will keep it. Okay, and keep has set, and inside this we'll pass word dictionary. Word dictionary. Right. Here now we are moving forward. We need to create a DP array. Okay, if it's true, then in that case we will putting a true inside that if we found that. So boolean, we keep DP and keep the length as the list of the string plus one. Right. Now we need to put a base condition when the string is empty in that case. So we will keep dp 0, that will be equal to 4. Right. Now we have to put a loop over all the string here. So for int I, that will be equal to 1, and I is greater than equal to s dot change length I plus plus 5. Now we have to check all the possible partition point. Okay, we'll check in the example when we see that lead code. So we'll check all the possibility that we are getting that thing or not. Okay, so we need one more loop here for int j equal to 0 and j will be moved till I and j plus plus. Okay, now we have to put a condition that from s to sj, whatever the length of this, we will check that the segment is present in the dictionary or not. Okay, so we'll keep dpj and it will be inside if dpj and our word set dot contains, and it will contain that s dot substring from j to the I. Right? If the condition is true, in that case we will keep dpi equal to true. Otherwise, and once we get a true condition, we will break that. Fine. And now after this, we will return dp s dot gh length. Okay, I will terminate this. So let me run this. Okay, network issue. I think. So let me run this. I'm getting error with the length. Is what length? It's taking time. PNG. Uh, Finally, it's got accepted. Let me submit this. Okay, it's got submitted also. Now, if we talk about the time complexity and space complexity here, so the time complexity is n square only, O of n square, because for the each I we check all the j. As you see that in here, for each I we are checking all the j combination from 0 to I. So the substring takes like from I minus j, so that's why it's taking n of the square. Okay, n square. And if we talk about the space complexity here, it's like n plus m, of n plus m. N is basically the length of the string, where this one, and m is the total character which are inside a dictionary. So it's a combination of that. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.